Garmin Venue 2, GPS smartwatch with advanced health monitoring and fitness features, silver bezel with granite blue case and silicone band. Suit your style with a smartwatch that's available in 2 colors and features a bright AMOLED display. Know your body better with extensive health monitoring features including health snapshot, body battery energy levels, sleep score, fitness age, stress tracking and more. This device is intended to be an estimation of your activity and metrics. It is not a medical device. Find new ways to keep your body moving with more than 25 built-in indoor and GPS sports apps, including walking, running, cycling, HIIT, swimming, golf and many more. Use preloaded workouts that include cardio, yoga, strength, HIIT and Pilates. Create your own in the Garmin Connect app on your compatible smartphone. Or try Garmin Coach free adaptive training plans to help you prepare for your next running challenge. Download up to 650 songs to your watch, including playlists from Spotify, Amazon Music or Deezer. May require a premium subscription, and connect with wireless headphones, not included, for phone-free listening with a supported country and payment network. Leave your cash and cards at home. Garmin Pay contactless payments let you pay for purchases on the go. Never miss a call, text or social media alert with smart notifications delivered right to your wrist. When paired with a compatible Android or Apple smartphone. Safety and tracking features include incident detection during outdoor activities, and assistance, both of which send a message to your emergency contacts with your live location. Get an uninterrupted picture of your health, thanks to battery life of up to 11 days in smartwatch mode and up to 8 hours in GPS mode with music, plus rapid recharging and battery saver mode. Personalize Venue 2 with watch faces, apps and widgets from our Connect IQ store and sync with the Garmin Connect app on your compatible smartphone to review your health and fitness data in detail. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.